मुझे तो बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड, टॉलीवुड, कॉलीवुड को आने दो, जितने आने थे, जितने वोट आते हैं। आई डोंट माइंड। जैसे पहले लगी पड़ी थी वैसे अब भी लगी पड़ी है। जैसे पहले लगी पड़ी थी वैसे अब भी लगी पड़ी है। ये राजा भी निरा लोमड़ी है। लाल किले का हाल वही है। पैजामा कोई पहन खड़ा था, कोई साड़ी पहन खड़ी है रे। Yes, our face of industry, our storytelling is changing, and the main reason is the audience is forcing us to change, because audience will reject, because audience has a choice now, and our market is a growing market, and the other industry like Hollywood is really eager to capture this market, because in Hollywood, in America, people have stopped going to theater. They are more watching series, and they have other source of entertainment. So Hollywood is looking for different markets where they can get the holding, foot holding. So in our industry, the audience is looking for interesting entertainment. So we need we are changing because of that, because audience is accepting those kind of films. You can see, last 2 years the kind of films have been appreciated is just because of the audience, and it's the audience which is bringing change. Now it's up to us to really go in that direction and multiply it, and let not go the audience, and let's not lose that audience which is already there. See, no, in our industry also, like if you see Nishikant set, there's no difference between Nishikant set or any other film which I'm shooting in Hollywood. They are all focused in their own department, but there are units in our industry where people, it's like a chaotic system. But that is our system. Our society is such. So everything is not. We don't really believe in planning. So this is the way we live. So this is, but there are directors who keep things in control. There are directors who keep things chaotic. मुझे तो बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड, टॉलीवुड, कॉलीवुड को आने दो, जितने आने थे, जितने वोट आते हैं। I don't mind, because for an actor to experience different kind of storytelling, different kind of directors, that's the fortunate thing. Why should you want me to choose one? I will never choose one.
Music, most importantly in our culture, Indian culture, music is in our veins, music is in our system. So in fact, we have a better opportunity of making good use of good music. Related to this film, yes, we have two very wonderful tracks. One is a very inspiring track. One is it creates a lot of energy amongst people, and it talks about what actually is happening in this place, and how we can fight it out, and what all we can do. And it's a very inspiring track which is made by Vishal Bhardwaj, and Irshad Kamil's lyrics are there. And there is another track. It's a very, very, very emotional track between a father and a son.
There's no song which is just there for, to make an album. So we, make an album and we have 4 or 5 songs. Where it was needed, we have song. And the Dum Damadum is a number which is like, which could be a party song, but also you can enjoy the lyrics. And I want to read a few lyrics which you might not see in the film. उसके बीच में एक अंतरा है, which is he's just saying his angst as a common man, and he's saying कि जैसे पहले लगी पड़ी थी वैसे अब भी लगी पड़ी है। जैसे पहले लगी पड़ी थी वैसे अब भी लगी पड़ी है। ये राजा भी निरा लोमड़ी है। लाल किले का हाल वही है। पैजामा कोई पहन खड़ा था, कोई साड़ी पहन खड़ी है रे। जैसे पहले लगी पड़ी थी वैसे अब भी लगी पड़ी है। ये राजा भी निरा लोमड़ी है। फटाफट गुस्सा करके, मिला मिलावट मन में भर के, बना बनावट करके बैरी तू, औसत बंदा भूखा मर गया, तेरा चमचा खेती चर गया, संसद बैठा खावे चेरी तू। यह है डमाडम का लिरिक्स। There's so many problems. We cannot talk about one problem. The system, unless and until, see, the problem is the system is something which is a constantly evolving thing. If we, people who cannot ask right questions, who cannot choose right people, so the system stops working for them. System starts serving people who are running the system. So it's the onus comes onto us. What kind of people we are choosing? Are we choosing on caste base? Are we choosing on other, elevation? Are we choosing that somebody is just showing you dreams? He's just, saying what you want to hear, and that's why we are choosing? Or are we choosing, are we seeing this person, what is his intention? The problem is we don't know how to see a person who really has concern. We need politicians who have concerns. We need leaders who have concerns about the system. Unless until that comes, things will not change. We will keep suffering, we will keep, talking about this, and nothing will change. I see the other two films which I have signed and I'll be doing after this film, after the release of these films, are drastically different. They have a romantic shade, they have a comic, shade in it. So just you don't have to wait long. Maybe next year you'll see those kind of films. I hope and I request, please come and watch Madari.
We made a very honest film, Madari, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. It's cannot place it as with one name as a thriller or an emotional story or an angst against something, but it's a different, unconventional cinema, but a strong commercial cinema, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Please come and watch Madari.